Welcome to the top best. The best toe kick saw is probably one of the most specialized tools you'll ever encounter, and for good reason. It's designed to tackle those tricky cuts at the base of your cabinets, where a regular saw just won't fit. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this saw is a game changer for achieving clean, precise cuts in tight spaces, making your projects look professional and polished. Number 5. EKS 85 3 to 3/8 inches. Toe kick saw. This is the EKS 85, a special circular saw. It's designed for removing subfloors or tiles with ease. The saw cuts flush to the wall or cabinets. This feature makes it perfect for those tight spaces. It comes with high-quality alloy blades for woods and a diamond blade for tiles and stones. This allows it to handle various materials. The saw offers 4 cutting depth positions, 3/16 in, 3/8 in, 1/2 in, and 3/4 inches. You can adjust it to fit your specific needs. It features a trigger switch with a safety button. The brush replacement is also easy to access, making it user-friendly. What we like. This saw offers flush cutting, allowing you to get right up against walls and cabinets. It also comes with multiple blade options, including alloy blades for wood and a diamond blade for tiles and stones. With its adjustable cutting depth, it provides versatility for various projects. If you are working on a project that requires precise cuts close to surfaces, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Strange but awesome little saw. Kicks a bit until you get used to positioning just right. Cut old boards under cabinets very quickly. So much faster than my oscillating tool. This toe kick saw did exactly what I needed. I used it to cut subfloor along the wall, and it got in tight without damaging anything else. The flush cut design makes it easy to get precise cuts where a regular saw can't reach. Absolutely a great tool. This cut right through our 3/4 inch subfloor with zero problems. Also not too heavy and just so easy to stay on track even if you're not up against the wall or cabinet. Number 4. Toe kick saw 3 to 3/8 inches. Electric circular saw. This is a versatile saw designed for precision cutting. It's perfect for those tight spaces, making your projects easier. This saw excels at removing subfloors from beneath cabinets. It allows you to work efficiently and effectively in challenging areas. Need to cut underlayments under toe kicks? This saw is your solution. It's designed to make those cuts clean and accurate. The saw comes with high-quality alloy blades for wood and a diamond blade for tiles and stones. It's ready for a variety of materials. With 4 cutting depth positions, you have the flexibility to tackle different tasks. You can easily adjust it to the perfect depth for your needs. It features a trigger switch with a safety button for safe operation. The brush replacement is also easy to access. What we like. This saw is specifically designed for cutting away subfloors from underneath cabinets. It also includes high-quality alloy blades for wood and a diamond blade for tiles and stones. The adjustable cutting depth adds to its versatility. If you are a professional or a DIY enthusiast working on flooring or cabinet installation, this saw will make your job much easier. What people say. The saw is well designed and easy to use. It cuts cleanly and accurately. The dust collection system works well. Number 3. Bond 78 to 777 Toe Kick Saw Kit. Introducing the Bond 78 to 777 Toe Kick Saw Kit. This tool is designed to make cuts flush to the wall, providing a clean finish for your projects. With a maximum cutting depth of 3/4 inch, it offers the precision you need. This saw is perfect for various applications, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. It features a robust 2 HP, 11 amp motor, delivering the power needed for demanding tasks. This motor ensures smooth operation and reliable performance. The kit comes complete with a carrying case for easy transport and storage. The case protects the saw and its accessories, keeping everything organized. It includes a carbide blade, #24-144, for immediate use. You can also use replacement diamond blade #24-143, making it a versatile choice for different materials. This is the Model 777 from Bonn, a reliable and efficient tool for your cutting needs. It's a great addition to any toolbox. What we like. This saw features a powerful 2 HP 11 amp motor, ensuring efficient cutting through tough materials. It comes with a carrying case for easy storage and transport, and includes a durable carbide blade. If you are looking for a reliable and robust saw for demanding projects, this one is a great option. What people say. The saw is well designed and easy to use. It cuts cleanly and accurately. The dust collection is effective. Number 2. Crain No. 575 Multi-Undercut Saw. Introducing the Crain No. 575 Multi-Undercut Saw. This tool is designed for precision and ease of use, making your undercutting task simpler than ever. Equipped with a robust 7 amp motor, it delivers the power you need. This ensures efficient cutting through various materials. The cut height is adjustable, ranging from flush to 1 inch above the floor. This flexibility allows for a wide range of applications. It cuts to a maximum depth of 1 to 1/4 inches. This depth capability makes it suitable for various undercutting projects. The dual-angle depth gauge allows for cutting at straight-on or 45 degrees angles. This feature provides versatility in your cutting options. The visual depth gauge scale provides precision depth control at 1/8 inch increments. This ensures accurate and controlled cuts every time. What we like. This saw offers an adjustable cut height, allowing for versatile cutting options. It features a dual-angle depth gauge for cutting at straight or 45 degrees angles, and provides precision depth control. If you need to make angled cuts or require precise depth adjustments, this saw will give you the control you need. What people say. This saw just lets you saw it out cleanly. It's a great quality tool that has plenty of power. The guides work well and stay in adjustment. Number 1. 6.8 amp heavy-duty toe kick saw. This saw is designed for this specific task. It makes the process much easier and more efficient. You'll be amazed at how quickly it gets the job done. It's also perfect for cutting underlayments. This tool is a must-have for any professional or DIY enthusiast. It will save you time and effort. It offers 4 different cutting depth positions, 3 16-inch, 3 8-inch, 1 2-inch, and 3 4-inch. This feature provides versatility for various projects. You can easily adjust it to meet your specific needs. The saw features a trigger switch with a safety button. This design ensures safe operation. It prevents accidental starts, giving you peace of mind. It also has easy access brush replacement. This makes maintenance simple and convenient. This feature helps to extend the life of the tool. What we like. This saw is designed for cutting away subfloors from underneath cabinets, making it ideal for flooring projects. It features a trigger switch with a safety button and easy access brush replacement. If you are looking for a user-friendly saw with safety features, this one is a great choice. What people say. Works really well and saved me a lot of work. Powerful little saw and had no issues with it. Cuts great and close to the edge of the wall or under the cabinet. I would definitely recommend it to anyone replacing a wood floor. Did a great job of removing my 1-2 subfloor in a bathroom. Cut within 1/8 or side of bathtub. Turned an all-day job into an hour job. Be aware and careful of kickout. Cut 32 LF of subfloor with no problems. Well built, saw surpassed my expectations and made our kitchen floor upgrade a breeze. Saw cut through lawn without touching the subfloor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.